Today I'm going to be walking through and showing you. This is a tiny bit advanced for Amazon influencer and if you are making videos for on-site commission. But I just learned how to do this myself about a week or 2 weeks ago, and I can already tell that this is going to very much increase my income when it comes to Amazon. And I don't really ever do product research. I pretty much always just put videos out into the abyss as I get products, but now it's getting a lot more competitive, so I know that I have to do better product research. So I have the Oink extension. I talk about it a lot on my page. It has made me so much more money than before I had it, and it's also streamlined my workflow. So let's go ahead and get into it. I am using the Pro version. I will put the link in the description, but the Pro version is very worth it. So I am on Amazon.com, okay? And you see this little Oink thing right here in this side. When you have that extension, you'll see this on the right side right here, okay? Now, there are two different things, creator connection campaigns, and then there's the EPC. I do not qualify for the EPC. So today we're just going to be talking about creator connection campaigns. And I am pretty much only going to invest in products that are running a creator connection campaign. Otherwise, it's not worth my investment, because the creator connection campaign commissions are what make it worth it, okay? So let's say you need to buy that. You do have to kind of, I don't want to say niche it down, but like I did, like back to school, or let's just say you are like, you know what, I need a new pet feeder, so let me do some research and get a pet feeder that like I could maybe make some money on, okay? Like an automatic pet feeder. So what I'm going to do is whatever I am trying to research, whatever product. So let's say I do, and you can see I just sent a video to a friend showing how to do this. So automatic cat feeders. So what the Oink extension is going to do is it's going to run through all of these products, and it's going to give you the ones that have creator connection campaigns. It's going to show you which ones have spots in the upper carousel, meaning you have a better chance of your video getting seen. All right, I'll show you that. But first I want to show you, so, you know, you're going to have multiple pages, right? So I do use an extension called InfiScroll. And basically what this does is it auto scrolls everything so that you have more products to work with. And the reason this is saying this is because I have already done InfiScroll on the pet feeders. So like you can scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll, and like there's going to be a ton, okay? So, but InfiScroll is how I like get a lot more. I want to cast a wide net and then go from there, okay? So I have searched, oops, hold on, let me see. I don't know. Let's do automatic cat feeder, or let's do pet feeder. So I want to see all of these auto pet feeders. So let me try InfiScroll again. See if it'll work here this time. Perfect. Okay, so see up top. So I just click this little arrow, and what that does is it's gonna like bring up more. We've got 2 pages now all in one. Let's do another one. And you'll see this is just like basically auto scrolling for me. Okay, so let's just leave it here at 4 pages. So now what do I want it to scan? I want it to scan for CC campaigns. So I'm gonna hit start scanning. And this does go pretty quick, but I'm going to pause for the sake of saving you time, and we'll come back when this is done scanning these. Okay, so that report has ran, and you will see in the bottom it says scan complete, and we can open results. So what this is going to do is this is really going to narrow down like which product we want to maybe invest in, or maybe if you were already going to buy it. So the most important things I look at, so keep in mind these all have a creator connection campaign. So you'll see right here, this is the additional percentage of commission you'll get. You will see how many days are left in the campaign. Now for me, I don't really look at that, because even if it only has like 28 or 30 days left, most of these brands like re-up their campaigns. So I don't look at that. Number one thing I look at is upper carousel right here. If this says full, I'm probably gonna skip, okay? So honestly, a lot of these say full. I'm gonna click up here, this only show placement opportunities. And that's gonna probably, that's gonna really like take a lot out. So now we see these ones that look, they've got open slots on the carousel, okay? Open slots, open. Now that one says full. For some reason, sometimes they do still come up. Now, if you see none, that means this brand does not allow influencer videos in their upper carousel. But when I see these open 6, open 3, that is what I want to focus on. So then if you want to make it even smaller pool, you can either up here do like, hey, I don't want to spend more than $100. Okay, so then that gets rid of some. So what I would then do is, let's say you can also see how many units have sold, and I believe this is in the last, I think, 30 days. Yeah, 30 days. So like, look at this one, 1,000 units sold. There is upper carousel spots. Now this does have Fizz approved, which is good. Fizz is who made this app. And this one's $27.99. So let's click into this one. So then what this is going to do, I'm going to get rid of this pop-up. Sometimes people, if you really want to go deep into your product research, you can look here and see. So if you want to click into this upper carousel and see what kind of competition you're dealing with. So here's like these upper carousel videos, okay? So we really just have 2, because you'll see videos for this product. Up here is from the brand. So I feel pretty good. If I was looking for an auto pet feeder, this is probably one I would look at. The other thing you'll see is the Oink has a break-even calculator. So look, it's pretty cool. It shows the commission per sale is $4.76, and this is how many days it would take you to break even. So to me, if I was going to buy an auto pet feeder and have the best chance of, you know, making a higher commission and getting on that upper carousel and getting seen, this is probably one I would do. All right. So, you know, you can look through these. You could say, okay, well, I'm willing to spend a little bit more because then I'll make a little bit more. Let's look at this one. See, this one doesn't have as many in the past month, like 200 bought. You could look at the videos here, kind of see what your competition looks like. Let's see, that's images. So those, again, these are from the brand. But then look, there's only 2. Mr. Campbell's reviews and Steve's picks. So there's only 2. Let's check our break even calculator. Meh, I mean, you make $9 per. This is, you know, it's really just kind of, you got to go with your gut. So hopefully this helps. I'll link Oink in the description of this video. Let me know in the comments what other questions you have.